everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of QR codes and security with a powerful tool called QRGen. Now, before we get started, I want to emphasize that this tool is meant for ethical hacking and penetration testing. Misusing it is illegal and unethical. What is QRGen? QRGen is a Python-based tool designed to create malicious QR codes. It's a versatile tool that can be used to generate QR codes containing various payloads, such as SQL injection, XSS, command injection, and more. Essentially, it allows us to test the security of systems that rely on QR codes. Understanding how malicious QR codes work is crucial for protecting ourselves and others from cyber attacks. By using QRGen ethically, we can identify vulnerabilities in systems that rely on QR codes, raise awareness about the potential risks of scanning unknown QR codes, develop countermeasures to protect against QR code-based attacks. QRGen supports various payload types, including URL redirects to a specific website, text encodes plain text, vCard creates a digital contact card, Wi-Fi provides Wi-Fi network credentials, exploits embeds malicious code for ethical testing purposes. It's essential to remember that ethical hacking always requires explicit permission from the target organization. Never conduct unauthorized testing. Respect privacy and confidentiality. And always share your findings responsibly. QRGen is a powerful tool for understanding the risks associated with QR codes. By using it ethically, we can help improve the security of systems that rely on this technology. Remember, the goal is to protect, not harm. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching.